Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day because I didn't even know if I'd be able to make this trip, but we made the long trip. It was about 12 hours from Memphis all the way down to Orlando last night. I woke up at like 2:30 in the morning to get down here. Should have probably taken a flight, but on the back end, I'm going to go back home to Dayton, so it's kind of like a multi-stop thing, and I figured I'd just bring my truck. But we've got my favorite fishing event in the fishing industry, and it is called ICAST. And so many of you have probably heard of ICAST. A lot of you may have gone to ICAST or go regularly, but it has been being held here in Orlando for, gosh, I think like 2005 they switched from Vegas to Orlando. I didn't go to the Vegas one. I haven't been to one of those in Vegas, but it seems like it's pretty much here to stay in Orlando. And we got into this hotel room last night. Nice hotel room, and check it out. We've got the Orange County Convention Center right across the way there. Oh my gosh, it is humid out here. Oh dear. I'm thinking about walking across the street here and all the way across that parking lot to get to the convention center, but now I'm not sure. That may be a mistake. I might be a big sweaty mess by the time I get over there, but I think we're still gonna try it. We got black pants on today. We don't have to worry about a little butt sweat, I guess you'd say. But anyways, ICAST is an event that is really, really important in the fishing industry. It's one, actually, let's sit outside. Let's get acclimated to the humidity before we make the walk. But the ICAST is super important for the fishing industry. It's the largest convention for fishing, but it's not a public or it's not an event that's open to the public. It's actually industry professionals only. I mean, quote unquote. There's a lot of people in there that get in and get passes from somebody else, and they're just kind of there to look around, and that's fine too. But traditionally, ICAST has always been about a bunch of different businesses in the industry coming together, showing off their products, and filling orders and things like that, talking to the media. And nowadays it's really shifted more towards the media side. It's a great opportunity for companies to come to this one central hub, show off all their tackle, and have all the companies, all the media outlets out there, create content and really build a buzz surrounding those products. And it's just a lot of fun, man. It's one of the best networking opportunities in the sport. And a lot of that has to do with the fact that it's primarily the professionals, in this space that are here. So you get to meet everybody. I've been coming to ICAST. I think my first one was probably like 2008 or 9. Maybe even earlier than that. I can't quite remember, but I really have tried not to miss a single ICAST. I may have missed one during COVID. I can't quite remember. But it's a very important event. If you're looking to get into the fishing industry, networking is a huge, huge component of success and being able to build a career around this industry. And ICAST is the best place. So today is the start of the expo. They had a ICAST on the water event. You can see the pond back here, down here somewhere. They had a bunch of for the last, I think, 5 or 6 years, they've had a bunch of vendors that set up shop, put up a booth and stuff right on the edge of that pond, so they can actually do on the water demonstrations and things like that. And so that's been a good thing. But I didn't make it to that last night. I got in late. In fact, I missed a meeting this morning already. I didn't put in my schedule, unfortunately. But got in last night. A couple of the ladies from St. Jude, from the fundraising department at St. Jude, we got them down here, so we had dinner with them last night, and my friend Pate from Pro Guide Batteries, and went to bed because I was exhausted, and tried to get a good long night's sleep, but honestly I still woke up at like 7:30. I was hoping to like sleep until 10 and just kind of all that built up exhaustion, just kind of sleep through it. But got up early, and now I'm ready to go. I'm still a little bit exhausted, to be honest with you, but I'm ready to get out there. And this is special for me this year, because I have not been able to be very experience camaraderie in the sport like normal. One of the best things about the fishing industry is the camaraderie. You get to know everybody. It's not a very big industry, and so throughout the year I get to hang out with my friends. But this year, living in Memphis and kind of being a little bit of a shut-in there at St. Jude, I haven't been able to like hang out, rub elbows with all my buddies and all that stuff. So this is going to be a really exciting event for me, just to be able to do that. And I was a little bit nervous, to be honest with you. I was wondering if I could get in the convention zone, but I'm feeling it already. I'm really ready to get over there. So anyways, guys, so like I mentioned, a lot of new products are going to be introduced at ICAST, and so I'm going to be doing a lot of videos here on the channel about the products that I really like. I'm going to try to do a broad, feature a broad spectrum of different products on the channel over the next week or so, and so hopefully you guys enjoy it, and it kind of gives you a glimpse into what is coming out in the fishing industry. But anyways, guys, if you guys are looking to get into the industry, put ICAST on your radar. Make sure you get here. Make sure you get over here and start meeting people, start networking. It's such an important part of the job. And it doesn't even matter if you're a professional angler or if you're part of the media, if you're part of a retailer, all of the above. It's very, very relevant to come to ICAST and meet everybody. So anyways, guys, hope you're having a great day. I'm excited to be down here in sunny, humid, and hot Florida. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna walk over to the Orange County Convention Center right now. Let's get started and have some fun at ICAST 2024.